Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and beginner friendly tutorial, we will learn how to insert a limit equation in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Limit equations are commonly used in mathematics, calculus, engineering and academic documents. And Microsoft Word provides a built-in equation editor to write them properly. In this video, we will discover the correct method to insert limit national write mathematical equations and format limits early using Word's equation tools. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. Now you can see here a assignment document. Now I go some down, then go to the insert menu, then click the equation drop down menu. Then we can see here many equation. Now I am go to more equation or click the equation option. Then we can see here many equation option like matrix, operators and limit and logs, ascents, function, bracket, large operation, integral, radical, script function. Now I am select the limit equation. Here the limit equation. You can edit the equation easily. Now you can see we insert the limit equation in Word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.